how much of our physical environment determines who we are, and how much of our inner self will actually be able to overcome the challenges of our physical environment. Maski na po anong mangyari sa sakuna o sa kalamidad, we can bounce back. Nakikita po natin lahat sa mga painting at mga litrato na nandyan po sa exhibit, ang mga kaugalian at ang mga katangian ng isang resilient na tao. Pag-isipan po natin, step by step, ano po ang ginawa ng mga taong ito during, before, and after the disaster that caused them to survive and thrive in the future that they actually have because they survived the disaster. I think there's a lot that we can learn about the triumph of the human spirit over the physical environment and the challenges of our world. So let's take advantage of this conference to build a resilient future together. Are you ready?